We will be trading IQ option with these simple and profitable tools from ultimatefxtools. We need the Metatrader 4 to attach the trading indicators we need in this strategy. Look at this chart in our Metatrader 4. I am only using 4 trading indicators for our strategy. We have the ultimate signal indicator, ultimate trend indicator, ultimate stock oscillator, and the ultimate RSI bars. You can download this indicator at ultimatefxtools.com. Setting up an installation for this indicator is easy. I have the link below on how to install the 4 indicators to the Metatrader 4. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to us to get the latest trading strategy, trading with IQ option. Okay, here is our main trading strategy in the chart. The ultimate signal indicator generates an arrow, and at the same time, our stock oscillator reaches the maximum resistance level. And lastly, our ultimate trend got the green colored line, which means that the trend is at its highest uptrend state. Look at this chart. The signal indicator produces a green arrow going up. Then, our ultimate stock is at the lowest support level and tends to go uptrend. Then, the ultimate trend creates a red line and might go up for the next candle bars. It is the best time to trade and go for higher. Make sure to invest the right amount of money that you can afford to lose. Never trade your whole balance at once. Got our trading result. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button to get the latest trading strategies trading with IQ option.